Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to copy on HP LaserJet M140w and how to make copies right from your smartphone camera. To make copies from the scanner glass, you don't even need to connect your printer to Wi-Fi. You just need to make sure you have some paper in the paper tray and a working cartridge inside of the printer. Next, you need to place your document correctly on the scanner glass. To do it, open the lid and put your document facing down like this, and make sure that the top left corner of your document is aligned to the top left corner of the scanner glass. You have this paper sheet icon over here. So align corners and align borders snugly, then close the lid and let's take a look on the display. So you can use these up and down arrows to set number of copies you wish to make, up to 99 copies. Then press this three dots button and you can increase or decrease the contrast of your scan. Press one more time and you can upscale your document up to 400% or downscale up to 30%. So 1 means 100%. So there are no more settings over here, so you need just to press this green copy button and wait for the result. By the way, don't forget to unfold the output tray. And here is your copy. Also, this printer has a feature of ID card copy. To copy your ID card, let's imagine this is my ID card. Place it on the scanner glass, align top left corner. Don't forget, you can make a small gap between the borders and edges of your ID card. Close the lid and press the ID card copy button. Now it's scanning your card, page 1. And now once you see P2 on the display, just place the other side of your ID card on the scanner glass like this, close the lid and copy your ID card. And that's it. Now you have two-sided copy on one page. To make copies from your smartphone camera, first you need to connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Make sure that Wi-Fi indicator is blinking. This means the printer is ready for connection. Next, you can manually take pictures of your documents or switch to auto, and it detects the borders of your document. You need to hold still. Like this is processing. Right away you can replace this document with a new one and scan as many documents as you need. And once you're done, switch back to manual to stop scanning and tap on thumbnail icon at the top right. And once again, just adjust number of copies you wish to make up to 99. You can resize your documents, fit to page or fill page like this. You can add more pages if you need and tap on Start Black. Your document will be copied. Let me stop it to save the forest. And that's all, folks. Now you know everything about how to copy on this printer. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, leave a like under this video and be awesome. Bye guys.